All right, YouTubers, it's I guess it's getting near 10 o'clock, 10:30. I don't know, somewhere around there. We're gonna go underneath the famous. So this is the other end of Kensington, under the L. So this is the not so bad side of Kensington, but still not the greatest area. During the day, it's a lot worse than this. So a lot of places, the sidewalks aren't done. Roads aren't in bad shape. Rita's water ice. Odd place for Rita's water ice. Probably does very well. Frankfurt Ave. Mainline. No shit, that's for Philly lot. So that's Majestic's sister company. Crazy. Alright, so we're headed. Feel so bad. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you guys are with me, click that button. It's going to be something that you guys really enjoy. Or you're just going to see things through my eyes. Alright, so we're going to bust the Larry on Tacony. That's the chase truck in front of me that has the rock salt shovels, snow blower. So we're off to Alpha 1. It's really windy, blowing the snow around. Things are getting icy. People are driving around on their quads and their razors and their side-by-sides. You know, it's a Philly thing. It's a Philly thing, y'all. That's Caleb blowing a red light. Well, why not? So hopefully Caleb, excuse me, Caleb can start running this route for me. Hopefully we'll get January, February, March snow, and then we'll get to make a few extra bucks while we're not turning wrenches at Meineke or working on customers' cars and wholesale jobs and things like that. And then I could just sit back maybe just a little bit and not have to go out here and do all this. But I like to make sure that everybody's doing what they're supposed to do. Man, I miss living in the city. Parking on the sidewalk, corner stores. You know, everything's so tight. You know, fighting for parking spots. Parking on the sidewalk. Park on the sidewalk. Park on the sidewalk. It's a Philly thing. Try that shit in New Jersey. They'll harass the fuck out of you. So this is Aramingo Ave. And then we're going to make our way over the Betsy Ross. Yeah, so I'd like to get Caleb to take over the route, and then he can bring out, you know, his employees, and then give him, you know, supervisor for snow removal. Man, my sinuses are bad. Anybody else out here have this head cold sinus thing in their chest? What the hell? I seen someone say that she must have met everybody in town in the hospital or a doctor's office the other day on some social media platform. She's like, everybody is sick. Not only with just what I have, but the stomach bug, what I have. Like, what is going on? Legitimately exhausted. How many other people out there working 6 days a week and have side hustles, multiple revenue streams, things like that. How many of my listeners? I apologize for my cold. Dietz and Watson. Oh man. So we got a Honor Foods. Woo! That's a big joint. Got Dietz and Watson up here. Dietz and Watson, 1939. Isn't that crazy? Still going strong. So you guys are taking a little ride next to 95 down here before we get to the Betsy Ross. He's taking us to Betsy Ross? Yeah, he's taking us to Betsy Ross. We have to go to Alpha One Auto Sales and get that lot done. And we have to go to Nickel Brewery. So let me get off because my throat is irritated. Alright guys, thanks for watching.